Good morning. It is 20 after 5. Mr. Van and I have been hiking for the last like 25 minutes, and it might continue to be a theme of these vlogs that you've already seen his vlogs. So I hope that I can still keep you entertained, even though you probably already know the outcome of this adventure. But yeah, beautiful morning. Looks like we've got clear skies and hopefully some good photos. But we need to book it because Google Maps led us astray, and this road was extremely challenging to find. And then once we did find it, it looks like we've got to hike about an hour at high altitude straight up. So it's all in the challenge. We had a nice little challenge last night. If you haven't seen that vlog, go check it out. And followed by another good challenge this morning. Yeah, let's hit the road. We are in Georgia, in the mountains, close to the Russian border, and it is awesome. Let's go. Made it to the top. Sorry if it's a little bit windy and it just immediately got cold, of course, but we've got this monastery church, which was the subject, you know, probably 40 minutes ago with the best light, just back there, and it is a stunning view. You can see why this is such an epic photo location. Also got some incredible peaks all the way around. Sorry again about the wind. Look at this one back here. So the idea is to set up, get the drone up in the air, some more B-roll, and treat this more like a scouting mission than anything else, and maybe come back here at sunset or again for sunrise. We'll see. Continues. We are back on the same road that we were on this morning, but it is like 10 hours later. Whoa! We are in a different vehicle as well. That is not Brendan. We have hired a 4-wheel drive to get us up to this spot. Brought the girls along as well, and hopefully we get some nice sunset light and yeah, get some more great shots of this this monastery up here. So that was a crazy drive up here. Our rental car definitely could not have done that.
I'm walking like this now.
Yeah, Brendan was in the back, so he's getting rocked around like in a washing machine, Georgian style. And yeah, we scouted this place this morning. It was pretty crazy this morning. Beautiful shots, really good drone flight, and I'm happy to be back. Hopefully we get better light. It looks pretty good. What do you think?
I think it's gonna be cool. I think that the low-level clouds will kind of frame this monastery if we get far enough over that way. And there's still a little bit of light hitting the top of the peak, so it might be good, but I think we do have to be quick with this.
Yeah, so let's get there and try and get the shot. Check out our neighbors.
Try not to get kicked by a cow. Hey, buddy.
So for all of you photography lovers out there, and I know probably 95% of the channel loves taking landscape photos, this is what it's all about. I've got this whole area to myself. BvS is somewhere up on that ridge back there. The girls have gone off to the monastery to check it out, and I've just sort of walked down towards this ravine, try and get a different angle on the leading line going towards the monastery. So I think I've found an okay image, but the light is sort of changing really quickly across that face back behind us. So it's an opportunity to actually try a couple of different compositions, to move around a little bit, to have some more freedom to practice my own photography, get some good long exposures, edit up those photos and share it with you here in the vlog. So I think I've got a couple of nice shots from this perspective with the 24-70. Got the Lee Filters Foundation on there, a 6-stop ND and a 0.6 stop Softgrad ND. And they're coming out nice. I think it's all right. Right now I'm at fully 70 millimeters extended. So instead of switching to the 70-200, I think it's better to actually move back up this hill and try and get above looking down maybe with the telephoto. But yeah, beautiful. Can't ask for better weather. There's no wind. This morning it was a little bit windy and cold. Right now it is super calm and I'm on the edge of a bit of a cliff here. I'm shooting a 30-second exposure because there's this really awesome low-hanging cloud just behind the main subject. And with 30 seconds, I'm getting just enough movement that it's not like totally wispy, but you can tell that it's actually moving through the valley. The f-stop is 14 and I'm at an ISO of 100 with those 2 filters that I mentioned just before. So I'm really happy with that image. I think it's now time to switch up the lenses. We got some really cool cloud movement up on these peaks and it looks like maybe the sun will poke through. So yeah, fingers crossed, but this is just great. So we made it back down. That was a pretty eventful day. I'm afraid this might be a really long vlog, and you've probably already seen a lot of it from Brendan's vlog. But
say bye to the driver.
That was awesome, really cool sunrise shoot. I just realized too that
sunset.
Sunrise this morning and then sunset, same location. I just realized that I didn't fly the drone at sunset, and I didn't even think about it until I was coming down.
So much happening.
Yeah, interesting. I usually would want to fly in that situation, but we got great drone footage this morning, so yeah, very cool. I hope you liked the video. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please do.
Please do so.
And what's next for us?
Driving back to Tbilisi.
Yeah, we're going back to Tbilisi and we got a couple of vlogs from there coming up. And yeah, that's that. So we will see you
on the next one.
Bye.